Audio. So it's a Sunday. It is raining outside. I'm not at the shop. I'm at home doing some home rentals. It is just pissing that rain down. Pardon my language. I am terrible at doing our YouTube channel stuff. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing video. It's already been unboxed, but for our YouTube channel, you guys haven't seen it, at least from us. You might have seen it elsewhere. If y'all remember following us throughout the years, this used to be the shop. There's lots of goodies here. Still the nice big Mastercraft toolbox. 60-gallon compressor. Sandblaster. Usually there's a nice big car sitting over there. Frankenstein, if you followed us over the years, Frankenstein has been with us for since 2007, and when we started the company in 2011, it's just kind of progressed over the years. So I have right here. So. Nice box here from DC Audio. Actually, we got two of them, but I'm only going to open one up right now. So, hang on a second. You're going to find out what it is. Alright, so who's ready to find out? Let's open this box. Because we're about to make a change. DC Audio, got high stuff all around this. You know how it is. Let's see what's in this gigantic box. What the? Hang on a second here. I think it's a problem. This is one giant box. There's a small sub. Giant box? Small sub. Interesting. Maybe I should close this back up and reopen it. Should have been something else in here. Hang on a second. Right, I know what it was. Totally forgot. I was showing somebody else. Anyways, this is the DC Audio M3 8-inch. Y'all know what it is. This isn't a brand new one. This is actually my wife's. One of them anyways. Got a brand new vehicle, so these came out of her Jeep Cherokee, and then we started getting the process of building for that, and then what do you know, we traded that one in for another one. So as you can see, it's a little dusty here. We get some love shortly. So anyways, we're going to open up the big boy. Like I said, I'm pretty sure everybody's already seen them, but not on our channel. So what do we have here? We have the DC Audio XL Elite. This is a big fee, bad boy. So, we got some dual 1 voice coils, direct leads, nice DC Audio basket. I actually have two of these. There's one here, one's over outside. I don't have dust caps mounted because when I get my car back, which is going to be parked over there, with everything else out of the way, when I get the car back from the body shop, it's time to get Frankenstein bailed in. Anyways, I'm going to quickly go ahead and do some filming on this bad boy. So stay tuned, and be back at you in a moment.
Say you love me and we'll stay together till we're gray. your heart so cold.